Hello guys, my name is Babera and I'm a student from Industrial Engineering. And today I'm going to show you how to solve an exercise by using PermaLearn. And what is PermaLearn, you may ask? PermaLearn is a 2D structural analysis tool. Okay, let's just get into it. The exercise that we're going to solve today is draw the shear and moment diagram for the beam. And as you can see here, we have this figure. We have a 3-meter long beam, and on the beam we got a distributed load which is 1.5 kilonewton per meter, and it's also going downward, which is negative. And we also got two support right here. So the A is a roller support, and B we got a pin support. Let's just get into it. So how to solve this by using PermaLearn? So first we're gonna click on member. Okay, we're already here. And let's take a look at our member. We got a 3-meter beam, 3-meter long beam, and it is a horizontal distance. So we're gonna input 3 meter. Oh my bad, I mean 3 meter. And we click add. And now we got our member, our beam, 3-meter beam. Oh my god, my bad. And now we're gonna input our support. Since we have two support, A and B, we click on support. So for the first support, the A support is a roller. So we click on A, and we're gonna select a support type, which is a roller, and we click add. Now there you go, we got our roller support. And now for B, what is the support type of B? This is a pin support. So now we're gonna change this to pin support, and we click add. Okay, now we got our support, both of our support. This is a roller support and this is a pin support. So now moving on, what else do we still missing? Okay, distributed load. And how to input this? We click here, the linearly distributed load. And what is our load type here? It is a vertical load type, yes. And now we click on the vertical load type, and as you can see here, our load is going downward, which is negative sign, but in here the guide is telling us that it is a positive sign in here in this website. Okay, so first the beginning load is 0, we're gonna input 0, and now 1.5, the ending load is 1.5, but it's going down, so we're gonna input minus 1.5, and now we click add. Oh, I forgot to add member. We only got one member, as you can see here. Okay, now we click add. Sorry, my Wi-Fi is a little bit slow. Why does it's not working? Okay, we got it. Here. This is our distributed load, which is minus 1.5, yes. And now let's solve this. We go into solution, and what does this exercise want? They want shear and moment diagram for the beam. Okay, so first one, let's find shear. We click on shear force and click display. Okay, now they displaying our shear force. Here is our shear force, which is equal to 0.5 kilonewton. Okay, and now we need our moment. We click on bending moment, click display, and there we go. We got our moment, which is 0.66 kilonewton per meter. And that is it for this exercise. Thank you all for watching until the end.